Hello mga F1atics! Tagal nag-buffer sorry. I swear.
We'll get there.
Okay.
So Kimi Antonelli, 5th win in a row from the youngest winner to the oldest winner naman sa Barcelona. Everybody was expecting him to bounce back. So even though on paper, George gained some points over Kimi, but then in reality, everybody who watched the race knew that Kimi has George's number. Since Charles crashed in qualifying in Barcelona, no. Ano ba to?
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya ko to, right?
This is Grandstand Gossip. From the grandstand to the group chat.
Rumor has it I'm the one you're leaving her for. Rumor has it.
Hello mga F1atics! Tagal nag-buffer sorry. Nag-buffer. Hello F1atics!
Hello, we're
Kumusta
back.
naman? 2 races tayong hindi nag-podcast. Ang daming nangyari.
Kasi back-to-back races.
Correct. Ano yung nalis natin?
Monaco to
Barcelona.
Yes.
Ayan. Ang daming nangyari. Sino ba unahin natin? Yung ano?
You start na. Go.
Monaco muna?
I did my race recap. So, dalawa na lang. So, yes. So, Monaco, the big news is...
Charles is out.
Oh!
Sabi ko. Akala ko yun yung big news natin.
Big news!
Okay.
Kimi Antonelli, 5 wins in a row.
Akala ko sasabihin mo Kim
5
Kardashian, I
wins.
swear.
We'll get there.
Okay.
So, Kimi Antonelli, 5th win in a row, the youngest winner in Monaco.
I forgot my crown today.
Grand Prix.
Youngest winner, youngest na naka-5. Or youngest.
na winner ng Monaco Grand Prix.
Okay.
And
Sino
the
yung dati?
previous youngest was Lewis Hamilton.
How old was he then?
23, I think.
Really?
Yes.
Si Kimi is 19. Oh my God.
Yes.
Batang to talaga.
So, from the youngest winner to the oldest winner naman sa Barcelona is
Luis!
Number time.
Balik muna tayo sa Monaco.
Yeah, back to back.
Monaco.
Ganun yung gagawin ko. Yung
Okay. Iko-compare mo yung dalawa. Very
Brief doon eh.
I know, right?
Okay. May bago siyang
May bago siyang ano.
Yes, kasi ang hirap i-cover ng dalawang
Correct.
races.
Kaya niya
guys.
pinapostpone. Plano niya na talaga yun.
No, it's just because the story, kind of became parallel. Kasi youngest in Monaco and then oldest since 1970.
Ang galing. Galing na analysis. So, ikaw na
Oh my
talaga.
God, yes.
Okay, and then.
Ano pa?
So, and then George, let's zoom into George
Yes.
because, diba, after Canada, Montreal, everybody was expecting him to bounce back. But in Monaco, he only qualified 6. So it was a poor performance on George. And then he had a penalty that basically moved him to 13th place in Monaco. So he again didn't score any points in Monaco. So from Canada to Monaco, that's 50 points, right? And then
So now it's a huge gap.
it's a huge gap after Monaco. And then Barcelona, he qualified pole. Bumawi si George.
Okay.
Yes, he qualified pole. But then, and he was actually leading the race. But then at the last 4 laps,
Yep.
Hamilton was leading by this time, and then George is second, and then Kimi was third, and on the last 4th lap, Kimi overtook him.
Si George.
Overtook
I saw
George.
some commentators that it's worse than what happened before because this time
Yes, because nobody can prove
now
that.
they can see
that Kimi is
was really
faster on
faster.
track.
Oh.
So, and the thing is, after Kimi overtook George in Barcelona, Kimi DNF because of engine
Ayun nga, ano
failure.
nangyari?
So Kimi has no points. So even though on paper George gained some points over Kimi, but then in reality, everybody who watched the race knew that Kimi has George's number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kawawa naman si
So
George.
you
I
were saying that
know.
George was more heartbroken even though he was in podium.
Exactly.
Dahil dun sa overtake na yun.
And Mercedes wasn't even there to celebrate with George in the podium.
Drama!
Yes.
Ba't naman
In
ganon?
Barcelona. I don't know. But it was, Ferrari was there. McLaren was there because Lando was on third in Barcelona. But yeah.
Second si George sa Barcelona.
Second.
Wala man lang, wala.
But it was very lackluster because, he knew that Kimi overtook him and Kimi actually got away quite fast until he DNF. So, yes.
So, hintayin na lang natin yung susunod na race na walang DNF at doon na sila
Exactly. Like, we'll see really the
But
performance
this is more
gap.
of like, taste.
Yes.
Taste of what we're
Yes. So that's what
Mm.
happened in George in those two races. But Lewis was actually building up. Right? So Canada, he was second. Monaco, he was second.
Second,
And then finally in
Barcelona.
Side note,
Yes.
did you see Max went home after he
Ayun
was
nga,
there?
sabi.
After Monaco. Well, it was the start of the race. What do you want him to do?
Exactly.
Right? Like, stay
He
there.
went on his speedboat and
Umuwi na.
So Lewis won in Barcelona. It was strategy and it was luck as well.
Wow!
Yes.
Ferrari strategy!
Oh my God.
Anong,
Ferrari
sige, din muna sa
strategy.
lock. Anong lock?
Because there was a virtual
VSA.
safety car. Yes, that
And then
actually.
the strategy.
Yeah, because there's a high tire degradation in Barcelona. So, and the Pirelli tires actually brought in softer compound. So, mas mataas talaga yung. So, they will be. So, there's 3-stop versus 2-stop strategy.
Yeah.
So, since Charles crashed in qualifying in Barcelona, let's unpack that later. Charles' story. But since he's 10th, and then Hamilton was second in Barcelona, so Hamilton had an aggressive strategy of doing a 3-stop. He started on soft tires, and then George and Kimi started in medium. So there was a VSC. This Fernando Alonso retired. So
He changed to soft.
he changed to no. Ano ba to?
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya ko to, right? No, they had the first stop and then they had the second stop. So Hamilton was on mediums and then George was on hards, right? So there's a VSC. The Mercedes didn't stop because they had hard tires and it was still early life for their hard tires. So basically, because of the VSC, Hamilton had a free pit stop. Because if he would have stopped without the VSC, he would have lost track position. But he kept his first position. Ang exciting nung stop
Paglabas niya.
Paglabas niya kasi ayun na si George. Tapos ito pa siya.
Okay.
Yun,
So,
yun.
he changed to yung last stint niya is
Hard. So, siya yung soft, medium, hards.
Okay.
The rest were just medium and hards.
Right.
Yes. So that's
Yan yung Ferrari
Lewis.
strategy.
Yes, the
Okay.
Ferrari. Amazing Ferrari. And amazing call by his race engineer, Carlos Santi. He had an Italian version of Hammer Time.
Yeah.
It's like Lewis was asking him because he pit right for mediums and then the two Mercedes was on first and second on hards. Am I catching them? And then he said, "You're catching very well. Come on, push," something like that. And this 7 laps is very critical. So that's like he's in an Italian accent. So that's like Lewis keeps mentioning that he's Italian Bono.
Yeah, it's Italian Bono. Yeah.
Yes. So that's Lewis' story between Monaco and Barcelona. Amazing.
Congratulations.
First win
When
in
he
Ferrari.
was about to finish, it's also nice.
Yeah, there's two versions of the commentary.
Yeah. There's also the Italian one.
No, there's multiple versions. But because I was watching, it was Sky Sports. So it was a different commentary, but it was also good. And then the F1 TV has Alex Jakes, who's also good.
Yeah.
He's the one who did the Charles commentary in Monaco. So ang ganda ng line ni Alex Jakes because it was like, what was that? Forged in silver and resumes in red, something like that. Parang ganun. Si Lewis as a champion. Parang forged in silver kasi silver yung Mercedes. And then
Gotcha.
resumes in red.
Okay.
Yes. So that's
Is
Lewis.
he back then?
He's
He's so
definitely
back. You can see it.
He's definitely back.
There you go.
He has that. I think because this year Ferrari finally listened to him. They've replaced his race engineer.
Yeah, we've talked about
He
this.
even replaced his brakes. So Ferrari had always used Brembo brakes, apparently, and then Mercedes has used Carbon Industries brakes. So this year he started using Carbon Industries brake, the brakes that he's used to use in Mercedes.
Okay.
Yes, so
Did they do that for Charles as well?
there we go. Now we go to Charles. Sorry. In Monaco and in Barcelona. So Monaco is supposed to be Charles' playground, right?
Exactly.
I even, bet on him. But he was fourth. He initially put a lap on fourth. And then he was still trying, pushing really hard. I can sense that it's coming with Charles in Monaco. And then he crashed
Yes, I saw
during
that.
qualifying because he was trying too hard.
Hindi pala qualifying actual race.
Yes. And then in the actual race,
He crashed in qualifying.
he crashed in qualifying.
So wala siyang
He's fourth.
fourth.
When he still qualified fourth even though he crashed. But he also crashed during the race. And he was complaining about the brakes.
Kaya pala nung interview siya, yun yung sinasabi niya, it's the brake.
Yes, because it's very weird because initially it was Lance Stroll who crashed.
Yeah.
And then they had a red flag. Yes. And then
Nakatarbing meme na yun, when Lance Stroll crashed, parang wala lang dead man.
Okay, yes. When Charles crashed, we should check the track because the track was actually disintegrating in Monaco. So, but the analysis says that it's because of he went into that part where the track is disintegrated, so he picked up a lot of debris. But Charles said no. Actually, before that, I was trying to brake and I don't have brakes. That's why he went wide on that turn and went into that part, and he couldn't control the car. So he already said, these brakes, F these brakes. I'm not even gonna apologize for that. That's what he said in
This
Monaco.
crash.
Yes, about this
Not
crash.
me.
And you know what? This is the first time that I've seen him so angry after Monaco.
So, sandali. So, he has a different brake than...
Yes, because he hasn't used the Carbon Industries brake, right?
So, that's
he's
the...
always been using the Brembo.
So this is a
brake.
new brake. They changed it in Monaco.
No. He opted to not use the carbon brakes that's used by Lewis in Monaco because he's not used to that.
Okay.
So he said that also has its own issues. So because it's Monaco and he's used to driving in Monaco with that brake, so he went with that Brembo brake.
Yeah.
But then it's not really behaving well for him.
In Monaco, but it behaved previously.
No, he's been complaining about that since Miami.
Okay.
Since Miami, he's already been complaining about that brakes. So yes, and he was so angry. He was actually very sexy. Excuse me. He's, his race suit, and he's so angry at his. Anyway, so he said he will now use the carbon industries.
Yeah, there's nothing to lose na. Parang,
No, although it has its own issue, right? Because he doesn't know how will that behave.
So when he's
It's
been
not
complaining
using-
since Miami, they didn't change it.
No, they didn't fix anything.
Okay.
So
When
now
Louis decided to change, he didn't change because
they had a choice.
okay.
So they split it.
their call,
Yes, it's exactly.
Okay. So that was his
So,
call then.
That was his call because it's Monaco. The thing is, he just signed a new contract, right? Oh my God, Charles. But then in Barcelona, he now used the new brake.
Yeah, so how did that go?
then,
It was actually promising because he was putting on very fast laps. But then he crashed again in qualifying.
Bakit?
Because during Q2, he saw what Lewis was doing with where would Lewis brakes. I think Lewis brakes later than him.
Yeah.
So he tried that in Q3, and then he basically it was his fault because he already knew that he braked so late he couldn't control it, but then still accelerate. So that's why he crashed in qualifying. So basically he started in 10th, but he was actually good during the
Yeah.
race.
Where did he end up?
Because he at one point before he pitted before the VSC, because the Mercedes pitted after Lewis, they were 1-2. So Hamilton was actually, and then Charles was second. And then he pitted because he started in mediums, so he pitted later than Lewis. And then the VSC came, and then it's like if he could have waited for like 2 more laps, then he would get lucky as well. But I mean, Charles, luckiest.
Where did he, what's his place?
He DNF
Ah,
in Barcelona.
not said.
It's mechanical failure.
Not said.
Yes, but it was promising because he was almost pole in Barcelona.
Could have been.
Bottom line,
Could have been,
DNF.
should have been.
Should have been.
Exactly.
Okay, driver standings.
Driver standings.
It's exciting.
Wait,
Sino pa?
no, I wanted to, in Monaco, Perez could have scored the Cadillac's first point. But then he had a penalty because he
there was
started
penalties,
wrongly in the
right?
grid. Yeah, Monaco is basically the race is boring, but it's a race of penalties.
Penalties. I saw that.
So Perez should have scored, but then he got a penalty. So Alonso had the
Had the score.
first point. First point for Aston Martin in Monaco. And then Pierre Gasly
Yes.
officially is third in Monaco.
Not
And
Isaac.
not Isaac. So Isaac is fourth, and then Oscar is fifth. But Isaac, Red Bull, and McLaren are up after Alpine has appealed and they have been granted. Then McLaren and Red Bull also appealed to overturn the decision. But because Pierre didn't even serve the penalty during the race. So Alpine had that, they already basically said that no, whatever is happening in the pit lane, it's wrong. So we're not serving the penalty and we will appeal it. So they've already decided that. And they have like evidence that the way they've checked the speed in the pit lane isn't right. But so tough luck McLaren and Red Bull, you didn't appeal for your guys. Even Mercedes didn't appeal for George because George had like a drive-by penalty in Monaco. That's why he lose places.
Kawawa yun. I don't think that was his fault.
It wasn't his fault.
Yun nga.
His position in Mercedes is very precarious. It's like he really needs to win this WDC this year.
Kaya nga, kawawa.
But anyway, so that's Monaco.
And Barcelona.
Also 7 DNFs in Monaco and 7 DNFs in Barcelona as well.
Pareho.
So you just really need to finish. Monaco, the Racing Bulls guys,
Sino nga yung racing
Lawson and Lindblad, they're actually 5 and 6.
Yeah.
And in Barcelona, 8 and 9 for the Racing Bulls.
KKK.
So they scored. And Pierre Gasly is 7 in Barcelona. So
No, ba? Gusto ko si
yes,
Pierre.
so back-to-back
I like him.
good weekends for Pierre.
Driver standings.
So that's that. Any other
Special mention.
special mentions? You guys?
I think you've covered it all.
Correct.
Yes, Lando is actually back
pala si
in
Lando?
Barcelona. Lando
Ah.
got podium in Barcelona. So proof that if he doesn't DNF, he can score
So third
podium.
siya.
Third, yes, because Kimi DNF.
Ah,
Kimi
yeah.
should have been third. But in Monaco, Lando DNF. Yes.
Ano DNF din?
Oscar is not having a good form as well. He's like 30 seconds behind Lando or something like that in Barcelona.
Really?
Yes, so yes.
So, hang on. So, let's just do our quick one.
Yes,
So,
quick one
in
first.
Monaco, JJ, you have Kimi, Charles, and Hamilton. So, you have 3 points from
3
Kimi.
points. So 12 plus 3,
15.
15 points. My goodness.
I know.
Can we still catch up?
Ewan ko. Kung
About
kung mababag, kung
Nauna na kayo niyan Ewan ko na lang.
I know, right? So for JM, you've got Charles, Hamilton, and Lando. So you got 2 points for Hamilton.
Yay!
You have now 3 points.
Kasi
And then,
1 point nga lang pala. And then you?
got George, Charles, and Max.
So, zero.
So I've got 4. So as of Monaco, we have 15 for JJ, 4 for me,
4 for you,
and 3 for you, JM. So that's where. So can you recap then as well the final driver standing as of as of
Yes.
Monaco or
No,
Barcelona?
as of Barcelona,
Barcelona
yung
na.
ano na.
Mm-mm.
So Kimi is still at the top, 156 points. Lewis actually came second after Monaco.
After
He's
Monaco
already
yeah.
second, yes. And he's still second, with 115 points. So that's 41. 41 points, and then George third, and then Charles fourth, and then Lando
Where's
fifth.
Max?
Max is in seventh. Yes, Pierre Gasly, Isaac, and Liam. That's your top 10.
Pasok si Liam sa 10.
Yes, with 28
Okay.
points. Yes,
So we'll put in our bets.
For what? For Austria?
oh, let's do back-to-back bets. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So can you give us some
Austria.
Austria trivia
is
from
the
previous races?
Red Bull Ring.
Okay.
Red Bull Ring.
Who won
right?
last year?
Last year, it was Lando.
Oh, Lando.
Yes, Lando, Oscar, Charles, and Hamilton.
Where
And
was
George.
Max?
Max last year, because Red Bull's car last year wasn't really
Okay.
good. Oh, did he DNF last year? No, 80. Yeah, he did. He DNF last year.
Okay.
Yes, 2025. So that's Austria.
Where's Hadja?
Hajar last year?
Yeah.
Oh, 12. Yes. So it was Lando. It was the McLaren. It was McLaren last year, right? So Lando, Oscar, Charles, and Lewis, and then George. Kimi was, where's Kimi last year in Austria? Oh, also DNF. Oh, this is the one where Kimi actually crashed on Max.
As yung dalawa yan?
He said sorry.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, cute talaga ni Kimi.
Oh, Kimi's always like that. Silverstone. Again.
Austria muna before we
Austria.
okay, let's put our bets for Austria.
Wait, close your eyes.
1, 2, 3. Let's put a timer.
Kimi.
Kimi. Number 1 mo is Kimi?
Yes, Kimi.
Yeah.
Charles.
Talaga? Paglalaban mo si Charles.
Yes, Charles.
Ito is heart vote to, no?
Oh, wala tong
Wala tong not
Lewis.
back up by
Kimi,
Louis.
Charles, Lewis. Sorry, George. And sorry, Max. I think because Ferrari is gonna bring upgrades daw. In Austria.
You didn't tell us that.
Oy, kaya nga eh.
Hindi kami nag-research.
Diba?
Oh, competitive ni ate.
Pagkatapos na mag-vote.
Buti na una siya kamo.
Close to my chest. My strategy.
Ganun pala.
Okay.
Okay, ganun pala ha. Ako, susunod. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-Kimi dahil nga sinabi mo na can't put Kimi. Hamilton.
Wow, big statement.
Nasa ano siya eh. Nasa upward trajectory siya eh.
momentum.
Yeah. Kimi? Hindi ko na mailagay. Max. JJ.
Third ko, second ko ay si Hamilton.
Okay.
Pares tayong second. Yeah.
Wait.
Second mo din si Hamilton.
Ay, no, si Charles.
Charles
pa
ka,
second.
Charles ka. Third is Max. I'll put Max there.
Goyo. Max. Okay.
You, Max?
Yeah, my third.
First?
Okay lang. Sino yung second mo? Hamilton?
Yeah.
Hamilton, okay.
Curveball, George.
Ay?
He might be. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Silverstone.
Silverstone.
Kiss my hand.
Wait. Silverstone. It's Lando, Oscar, Nico Hulkenberg.
Can I go first? Because I'm last.
Hindi
No.
na ano
Lewis and then Max.
Oh no.
JM didn't what do you call this one? Didn't complain when she's been always the last.
Wait.
1, 2, 3. Sabi ko na nga.
Bato.
Kukunin mo na
Okay. Thank God.
Si Lewis.
Hamilton, guys.
Oh,
Silverstone.
my heart is on Hamilton on
I
Silverstone.
want this
as
to
well.
happen.
Yes.
Second.
Second. Okay, let me try something new. Second, George.
Puro English.
Oo.
Ang gagawin mo Lando.
No, Kimi. Thank God.
Okay. So, ako is Kimi, Hamilton, Lando.
Ooh.
Love ko si Lando eh.
Wala na akong choice.
Sino? Si George?
George.
Commercial, while you're thinking, si Matt and Tommy, they also have a
Yeah,
time.
they have that. Yeah.
Wala lang,
They
nakita ko lang.
even bring their family with them. They have their family.
Pero theirs is kung correct lang, di ba? Walang points.
Wala.
But anyhow, go, while you're thinking.
So George, Lewis, and Kimi. George, Lewis, Kimi.
George, Lewis, Hamilton. Ay, may isa la Hamilton, isa Lewis. Kimi?
Mm-hmm.
Ten, 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 ten. Okay, so let's recap. For Austria, JJ, you have George, Hamilton, and Max. Sino to? Ako ba to? Ben. Benna, Hamilton, Kimi, and Max. JM, Kimi, Charles, and
No,
Louis.
you're not Hamilton. Because JJ is Hamilton.
Hindi, sa Austria to.
Austria.
Yeah.
Austria. Okay.
Yeah.
Chill.
Chill. Silverstone. Hamilton, George, Kimi. Yours is George, Hamilton, Kimi. And ako is Kimi, Hamilton, Lando. Sabi ni Damien Lando din. So,
Lando was the winner
ako
last
Lando kapag di DNF.
Yeah, so that's the thing, right?
Hindi pa reliable.
Toto was because it's a Mercedes engine, and even Mercedes is also feeling the what they call this, the reliability issues of their engine, because Canada it was George who DNF, right? And then now in Barcelona it was Kimi who DNF, so he's not very happy. And then you've got the customer car of McLaren. But Alpines are okay. They're also Mercedes engine. So yes.
There we go.
There you go, guys. What do you call this one? Those are our bets for Austria and Silverstone. And wish us luck.
Excited.
Exciting. When is the Austria race?
This
next
coming,
weekend?
Yes.
Next weekend.
weekend.
So it's back.
And
Do they
it's
have
back-to-back.
sprint or something?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Let me just check. Yeah, I don't think so.
I think both wala.
Wala.
Usually Silverstone has sprint. Let's see.
Really?
Yes.
Ayun, may sprint din. Gusto niyo mag-bet sa sprint? Charot.
No.
No. we never bet on the sprints anyway.
Okay.
Yes.
There you go.
Ayan, see you next podcast, see you next episode, or catch us up on our meme episode. Up
Catch
next.
her.